y'all be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would've...
What's up, everybody? It's Big Rob TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, let's go ahead and bring this box in. As you can see, 3 stripes, black 3 stripes box. Alright, and then on the side here you have the Adidas logo and the Midwest Kids. Okay, so these are anything on the bottom, no, sides are exactly the same. Midwest Kids. All right, these are the Adidas Forum 84 Low Midwest Kids. Okay, now this is my first pair of Adidas Forum Low. Okay, I've never had a low top. I always have the high top versions. Okay, let's just pull these out. Let's pull these out. Woo! Look at the McDonald's. Look at the McDonald's All American joints. Oh, all right, let's put those back. Let's put them back. Ah, those are too sweet right there. Just too sweet. All right, little stuck action. All right, but I've never had a low top pair, so I got these. And very interesting, so let's go ahead and take a look at these, man. You open the box, you got that special kind of paper, got a lot of things on there, a lot of stories on there. The journey makes the story better. That's what it says all throughout this paper. The journey makes the story better. Millions upon millions of times on this paper. The journey makes the story better. All right, now let's go ahead and get into the shoes are individually wrapped. Okay, each shoe is individually wrapped. All right, let's grab one out and let's do an unwrapping. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They did kind of a Jordan 1 lace job to these, but we'll get into that. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Adidas Forum 84 Low Midwest Kids. All right, now I got these in a size 14. I don't know if I mentioned that, but these are a size 14. The reason I went with a 14 on these is because I've never had a low before, so I didn't know how they fit. I didn't want to get a 13 and they'd be too small, but I wanted to go with a 14 because when I get my Jordan lows, my Jordan 1 lows, I get a size 14. So I kind of figured they'd be about the same fit. Okay. But as you can see, it's got some pretty damn good quality on here, man. We got that suede going around the front here, all along the toe box, and going up the sides here on where the laces will go. All right, the lace holes. All that suede, that's that good nappy suede too. That's the good nappy right there. All right, and then some of the suede goes around. See how it changes colors? Some of that suede goes around in the back area. Okay, and then you got a pretty good grade of leather. Is there paper in there? Let me get, oh, okay. On the inside, let me pull these out. Man, I didn't even see. Okay, well, first on the inside you have additional straps. Okay, so you have the black strap here going across the top, but it gives you additional 2 white straps, 2 red straps. Okay, they give you 4 additional straps, or 2 on each shoe. But in addition to that, you can switch it up. As you can see, you have the white lace there in the front, the white lace, all right, but they only lace it to that point like they would Jordan 1s. That was the reference I was making. But you also get the red and black laces. Okay, and on the lace tip it says Midwest Kids. Alright, Midwest Kids on the lace tips. That's a nice touch, man. Put that there. What does it say on the red? Adidas Midwest Kids. Adidas and Midwest Kids on the red as well. Man, they give you a lot. They give you a lot for these, and these were only $100. These are $100, and you get a lot, man. You get a lot in there. Switch it up. As I mentioned before, and as I showed, they come standard with the white laces, which also have Midwest Kids and Adidas on them. Okay, and then you undo it here. Boom. And you can remove the strap, the leather strap, if you would like. On the back of the strap it says, once again, the journey makes the story better. Alright, the journey makes the story better. Okay, and then on the tongue you have your Midwest Kids logo. Midwest Kids on the tongue, and then on the back it has your size tag, and it says the Adidas Forum logo on the back. Okay, so it's that nylon tongue, pretty good material there, but it has the leather tab here. Okay, and then once again on the inside, the journey makes the story better. Okay, on the insole there. Alright, and that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. The journey makes the story better. Okay, there's a number on the inside here. I'm not quite sure what that number means. I'd have to look that up, but there is a number there. Okay, go ahead and put that back in. But that's pretty sweet, man. Pretty sweet. You got your white hit on the inside there, and of course your gum bottoms going around the outsole, and your red patch there. And you have, of course, with the forums, every circle that you see here on the bottom has an Adidas logo in it. And then on that side, just the white Adidas logos there. Adidas logos there. Alright, pretty good, man. Pretty good quality. Did I mention that the red by the stripes here? You got hit of red there. A little bit of red peeking in the back here. And then that red hit on the stripes, the 3 stripes underneath the stripes there. Alright, very nice. Very nice, man. If you didn't know already, I think Adidas is making it a very strong point to let us know that the journey makes the story better. It's one thing that you got to know from this review. The journey makes the story better. Alright. Also, if I didn't mention it, Midwest Kids Adidas logo there on the side. Alright. Now, I'm a Midwest kid. You know what I mean? My family is from Ohio. And the area that I grew up in, and I know Kentucky is considered a southern state, but the area of Kentucky that I grew up in is actually closer to Ohio. So it's about, you know, 2-3 hours away from Ohio. So it was a quick trip back to the family in Ohio. So I kind of consider myself more Midwest than I do Southern. I was born in the South, but family, home is in the Midwest. So that was one of the things that I know that, you know, that probably has nothing to do with this shoe, but I just saw, oh, Midwest, okay. Let me go ahead and cop these. I like the way they looked, and I've been wanting to get a low just to see how they are. But these are the ones I went with, man. So, you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. All right, here we are on feet with the Adidas Forum 84 low. All right, don't judge me for having the Nike sweatpants on. This is what I was wearing. My bad. I normally don't rock the Nike with the Adidas. That's my bad. But this is what I was wearing. I wasn't gonna fake the funk and go throw on some Adidas pants. All right, but here we are on feet. Now let me give you the size reference. Okay, my big toe is right there. It's right about where the toe box ends with the suede there, right at the tip there. All right, let me show you from the other side. From the left side, right there. Okay, this is the tip of my big toe. I feel like that fits the best for me. A size 14 is actually the best in this. I do have a few pairs that are a size 13, and lengthwise they're actually a little bit better, but the width to go along with the length on the 14 fits a little bit better. So my suggestion would be to go up half a size, possibly, depending on how you like your shoe to fit. All right, now let's get a little bit of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Yo, these are pretty nice, man. These are pretty nice. Not mad at these at all, because the story makes the journey better. That's not why I'm not mad at these, but these are pretty good, man. I like the quality of them. They're constructed very well. Man, really good materials used throughout. I like the color scheme. I feel like the color scheme of this particular Forum can go with a lot more color options. The black, white, the red, the gum bottoms. You can throw this on with a lot, man, and get away with it. Whereas some other shoes, even some of the Forums that I have, are very color specific. You have to wear white and blue. You have to wear white and red. You have to wear yellow. These, you can wear black, white, red, whatever, because black and white typically go with everything. So I think these are going to be a little bit more wearable, and they are comfortable. I must say that they are pretty comfortable, man. So definitely recommend these if you can find them out. And for the price that they were, they do come with a lot, man. Like I said, there's 4 straps, 2 for each shoe. So you get 2 of these on each. And then they give you the extra laces, man. You don't get that with shoes that cost 2 times that a lot of the times. And you get a nice quality material shoe, nice soft toe box and everything. Look at that toe box. Look at that toe box. Nice quality. And you get all these extra accessories over here. If you all can see that, where the laces and the straps are, you get so much extra. So man, I know I'm wearing the Nike pants that you all saw, but look, if I had on some Adidas pants or some khakis or something like that, these would go perfectly fine with what I'm wearing right now. You know what I mean? So I recommend these if you are looking at them and you came to this video to see them. I recommend you go ahead and pick these up. All right. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. You might even say the next pair that I review is shocking. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.